Y'all, I'm literally so freaking embarrassed right now to even tell y'all what today is. Like, I should be shamed. Today is freaking, I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's Thursday. I have not been vlogging all week. Like, I don't know. Like, okay, so once we came back from Atlanta, I knew I wasn't going to really vlog Monday, but I was like, well, okay, that's cool. That's Monday. But now here we are, Thursday. And I'm just not picking up the camera. Crazy, right? Yesterday I showed y'all a little bit of footage. I was cleaning my makeup brushes and I washed my hair. I washed my hair because I'm going to record. I don't know if I want to do a 3-in-1 or what, but whatever type of video I end up doing, I'm going to show y'all how I do my little bun with the little two bangs because y'all really like that hairstyle. So I'm going to show y'all how I did it. It's so easy. So, yeah, right now I just been kind of like straightening up a little bit because I have hair to do. I was supposed to have do hair at 11, but she just asked can she come at 12. So I'm debating if I want to go ahead and start on my video now or what. But yesterday I actually got a lot of stuff done even though I wasn't recording. I kind of somewhat packed my stuff for my next trip already. Well, I put it in the bag because I really want to carry just a carry-on and then my purse. I don't want to have to pay for luggage. So I was trying to see if everything fit in. Y'all look. I got everything in there for the most part. So yeah, for the most part I got everything in there. Got a few more things I need to put in there, but I think it's going to fit. So we good. Like, we good. I'm saving $60. Too excited about that. I think I told y'all where I was going already. Some of y'all may know. If y'all don't know, I guess we'll play a guessing game. But yes, that trip is March 6th. Oh, Kiara's calling me. I will talk to y'all in a little bit. Y'all, my makeup came out so freaking good. Like, so freaking good. It's so cute. I'm about to put my clothes on, finish recording this video, and take some pictures for Instagram. Y'all should be following me on Instagram. If you're not, follow me on Instagram. It'll be in the description box. But just wanted to come show y'all this beat. It's so freaking cute. And like I said, this video will be up Friday, so you will see this before you see the vlog. I look crazy as hell. I had to take that freaking bun off until tomorrow because it was so freaking tight. Let me turn this light down. But the bun was too tight. I had the rubber band around it too tight, so I just pop it back on tomorrow. But I'm tired, y'all. I've been doing stuff all day. My makeup is oily. It is time to come off. I look a mess. So, but I still haven't ate nothing all day, and Dion don't even care.
That's showing you on a diet.
But still, nothing.
Bro, you don't want to starve yourself all day. You had a card there.
Y'all, I forgot to even tell y'all that I'm on a diet, child. I'm starting a diet again. I've been doing pretty good though. So what I'm doing is I'm intermittent fasting, however the fuck you say that shit. I'm fasting so I don't eat until 1 p.m. and I can eat all the way up until 8 p.m. So after 8, I'm not supposed to eat. But see, right now, it's almost 10 o'clock at night and I haven't ate nothing, literally nothing at all since I woke up this morning. And I'm making like better choices with food, I guess. Haven't been back to the gym yet, but I'm just about to wipe this makeup off, figure out what I'm gonna do about food, and chill. I'm watching a show on Netflix called Love is Blind, and y'all, these people been on the show for 5 days, and why somebody already done got married? Never even seen each other and done got married. So it's a real interesting show. I'm really into stuff like that. So yeah, I probably just watch that until I fall asleep. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. Good morning, you guys. Me and you look alike.
Good morning, you guys.
Don't
Today is
talk
Saturday. I'm off.
Oh shit. Today is Saturday. It's early in the morning. I gotta do somebody's hair,
Why
but
does this shit look so blurry?
because the sun is behind us. It'll get right. See? But I gotta do somebody's hair in like an hour. I don't have no freaking got to be gel or spreads. So I'm about to go to Walmart, and we also have a few more things we need to get from Walmart. So that's what we are on the way to. And then later on, I have to package some packages and ship them off. And my godson's birthday party is today, so today will be pretty adventurous. I know I look rough right now, y'all. It's early in the morning and it's fucking cold. It's like 38 degrees outside. So, yeah. But yeah, I'll just see y'all when we get to Walmart and then when we get back home. So yeah, bye. Y'all, so we are, ooh, it's windy. We are, long hair and lip gloss is so stupid. But we are headed to Chuck E. Cheese now. Oh. Hold on, let me sit y'all down. So we are headed to Chuck E. Cheese now. I gotta stop and get a freaking birthday card.
Chuck E. Cheese.
But it's all by the same place, so no worries. I didn't feel like fixing my hair, so I just put a wig on. Whew, kind of tired. So I will see y'all once we get to Chuck E. Cheese. Calen.
Go, Calen. It's your birthday. Go, Calen.
Hey, hey.
Go, Calen. It's your birthday. I gotta tell them. I'm saving myself for this moment.
We say happy, you say birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Stomp your feet. Play your guitar. Chuck E. Cheese. We say happy, you say birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Clap your hands. Don't stomp your feet.
Look how he looking. Calen. He with face like that. We finally back home, still in the car. The party was
Lit.
a typical 1-year-old's party. You know, y'all know how 1-year-olds act at their party. It was good though. I had a nice time. Everybody had a nice time. Everybody had a nice time. I'm tired, y'all. I'm about to take this shit off, this makeup, this wig, and get in my bed for a little bit and just chill. So I'll probably see y'all a little bit later. Got anything you want to say?
Nope.
Why is you looking like that?
Might go to Applebee's later on for drinks.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe.
We'll see, but I'll let y'all know. Boy, you.
Pretty good.
But this is the end of the vlog as well. Sorry this vlog wasn't as long. I will do better next week, and I will see y'all in the next vlog. Bye.